Let me tell you a secret. Getting what you want from a man isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding influence. It's not your beauty that makes him listen. It's your energy. It's not your words that make him commit. It's how you make him feel. Most women think men are complicated. But the truth, men are simple once you understand their emotional blueprint. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover 7 powerful secrets that will help you get what you want from any man, without begging, fighting, or losing your peace. When it comes to relationships, many women use effort where they should use influence. They over-explain, chase, and overthink, but the women who actually get what they want, they play the game differently. They understand male psychology. They communicate with intention. And they project a kind of calm confidence that makes men want to please them. Let's break down how they do it step by step. 1. Know what you want before you ask. You can't get what you want from a man if you don't even know what that is. Clarity creates confidence, and confidence is magnetic. Imagine walking into a restaurant and telling the waiter, "Just bring me anything." You'll end up with something random, maybe something you don't even like. That's how many women approach men, with confusion and mixed signals. Men respond to clear direction, not confusion. A man feels secure around a woman who knows her standards and communicates them calmly. Example: instead of saying, "You never take me out anymore," say, "I miss spending quality time with you. I'd love it if we could go somewhere this weekend." Takeaway: don't complain, communicate clearly. 2. Use emotional connection, not control. Many women try to control a man's behavior, but control pushes men away. Influence pulls them closer. A man may resist pressure, but he melts under emotional understanding. When he's quiet or distant, instead of saying, "What's wrong with you?" say, "I can sense you're a bit off today. Talk to me when you're ready, I'm here." That small shift changes everything. It tells him, "I'm safe, I'm patient, I understand." Men crave emotional safety just as much as women do. They just don't say it out loud. Takeaway: if you can make a man feel emotionally seen, he'll move mountains for you. 3. Reward the behavior you like. Here's a truth most people miss. Men don't respond to nagging. They respond to positive reinforcement. If he opens your car door, thank him. If he texts first, smile at that message before replying. If he plans something nice, let him see that his effort makes you happy. What gets rewarded gets repeated. It's basic conditioning, and yes, it works in love too. Example: a woman who appreciates effort makes a man want to do more for her. Takeaway: don't demand, encourage. 4. Speak his language. Men and women express emotions differently. While many women use words to connect, most men use actions. If you're waiting for him to say, "I love you," every day, you might miss the message he's sending through what he does. He might fix your car, buy you food, or make sure you get home safely. That's his version of "I care about you." Learn his love language, whether it's acts of service, quality time, or physical touch. Takeaway: when you understand how a man expresses affection, you stop feeling unloved and start feeling understood. 5. Stay mysterious but real. Men are drawn to mystery, but mystery doesn't mean pretending or playing games. It means having a life that doesn't revolve around him. Be interesting. Have goals, hobbies, and peace that exist outside of his validation. Scenario: imagine 2 women, one constantly texting him updates about her day, and another who texts, "Just finished yoga class, feeling amazing, what about you?" The second one sounds alive, independent, and desirable. Men respect women they can't completely predict. It keeps attraction alive. Takeaway: be mysterious by being whole. 6. Don't chase, attract. A man knows when he's being chased. And the truth is, the more you chase, the less he values. This doesn't mean ignore him. It means mirror his effort. If he texts once, reply once. If he plans a date, reciprocate the appreciation. Scarcity increases value in relationships, just like in life. Example: when a woman is calm and selective with her energy, she naturally makes a man want to earn her attention. Takeaway: be the prize, not the pursuer. 7. Tap into your feminine power. Your greatest influence over a man doesn't come from dominance. It comes from feminine presence. Grace, softness, and confidence are not weakness. They're power in motion. When you smile, maintain eye contact, or speak with calm assurance, you're activating something primal in him. Men are wired to protect and please women who radiate warmth and self-assurance. Scenario: a woman who says calmly, "I love when you do that, it makes me feel cared for," influences him 10x more than one who says, "You never do this right." Takeaway: feminine power is not loud, it's felt. Now that you've seen these 7 principles, remember, none of this is about pretending. It's about understanding the subtle art of influence, empathy, and self-respect. Because when you know how to communicate like this, you won't have to chase love, it will flow toward you naturally. If you found value in this video, don't just click away. Take 3 seconds to like this video. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 7 truths resonated with you the most. And if you want to understand men, not just date them, subscribe to this channel. Every week, we decode human attraction, psychology, and real love dynamics that most people never talk about. At the end of the day, getting what you want from a man isn't about power, it's about partnership. The woman who understands herself will always know how to guide a man toward what she deserves. Because when you master communication, patience, and presence, you won't need to chase anything, it will find you. Remember, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate with grace.